I'd say let's hope that this box is better than the last one, but it will not be too hard because the last box was very bad. Remember to stay positive, everybody. Hi. Welcome to a beater box unboxing that will get way more views because there's 4 numbers in the price. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And I also have a website where you could find things I pull out of this box and things I've pulled out of various other boxes for sale right now. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com and it updates every Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a beater box from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a membership-only beater box program that is unfortunately closed to the public, but still check them out. Really awesome shop that you should check out, like I just said. Really good at this whole YouTube thing. This box was $1,000 plus $40 to ship it all the way here to Chicago, Illinois. Shout out Casserole. For a grand total of $1,040. I love the Chicago accent. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money off of them. But follow along with my best friend Clarence. They'll be letting you know how much each shoe is worth according to fair market value, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you the fair market value of the entire box versus how much I paid. If I had actual editing skills, you'd see some graphics on the screen right now, but that's not my style. Let's open the box instead of rambling. That last box was like historically bad. 6 shoes and 3 of them were size 15. Like that, you can't make that stuff up. We're open. What's in here? Some shoes. Yep, that's it. Okay, see you guys later. Does not look like there's any loose shoes, so that's good. First pair out is an Adidas. Looks like an Ultra Boost something or other. This is a size 10. Just says Ultra Boost M, which means it's a 1.0 or a 2.0. This is a slightly worn pair of the Collegiate, maybe? Is that it? I don't really know. It's some kind of blue. This is an Ultra Boost 2.0 if you can't tell by the prime knit on the toe box. These are in really good shape. I mean, you can still see the writing on the insole. Not much wear on the bottoms. Not much discoloration on the midsole. So size 10 is kind of a goofy size, but there's some scratching on the heel cup. Not too bad. I mean, these are in pretty decent shape. So size 10, Collegiate Navy or Collegiate Royal or whatever it's called. Ultra Boost 2.0. That's not a bad way to start off the box. Hey, let's grab another Adidas because why not? This is a mystery Adidas box. So this is a size 9.5. This is a Me Adidas. This is the customizable Me Adidas. I think this is a Clima because of all the holes in it. I don't know what's going on with this, but it's got like reflective heel cups, white stripes on the side, real thin, like you can see through the upper. Got an orange insole. Black midsole. This is a dead stock pair too, and it's a size 9.5. I don't know how much Me Adidas goes for. I don't know if it's like Nike ID where they go for zilch, or maybe this goes for something. Pretty clean colorway though. Whoever put this together did a really nice job. So size 9.5, Me Adidas Ultra Boost Clima. Yeah, there you go. Huh, interesting. What's this? We got a little Jordan. It's a size 4.5 youth. It's an Air Jordan 4 Retro OG. Cement 4s. These are very lightly worn, but they are in phenomenal shape. Size 4.5. No midsole paint cracking or anything. These look like they were worn once by some kid and then that's it. But classic Jordan 4. This came out in 2016, I think. Good shape, just kind of a small size 4.5. Jordan 4 cements. And then we have a big size Air Jordan 4 in a size 12. This is fire red, so this must be the fire. These are in really good shape too. Little bit of paint chipping on the midsole right there, but another classic Jordan colorway. Really good shape, size 12. A little bit of toe box creasing. Overall, they're in pretty decent shape. Come with the original box, size 12. Fire red 4s or whatever they're called. Neat colorway. So it looks like we're about halfway through the box. So that means there's 8 in here, so that's good. So we got a Nike red box. It's an Air Vapor Max 95. I wonder which one it is. I have a full-size run of these, basically. This is the Comet or Hot Red, based off of the Lava Air Max 95 with a Vapor Max sole. This is a size 10.5, so I have a 9.5, 10, and 10.5. Dead stock pair. Sole Supremacy must have gotten a whole bunch of these in and just had to dump them in beater boxes. So, I mean, nothing wrong with that. Size 10.5 will be on the website, probably for way under market because I don't want to hold on to things like that for a long time. And then after that, we have a size 10.5 Nike Vapor Max Gliza. It's like an astronomer or something like that. Well, whatever this is, looks like a Vapor Max mid. Why is this called Gliza though? Really weird colorway though. I can't imagine there's tons of value in here. The sole does look kind of weird if you're looking at it from this. It's kind of like water, but hey, it's a dead stock pair, size 10.5. Air Vapor Max, I think it's pronounced Gliza. There you go. Okay. This box isn't looking too much better. More Adidas. It's a size 8. It's a 350 V2. Probably a zebra. Yep, it's a zebra. It's dead stock, so that's good. Size 8 pair of dead stock zebra Yeezy 350 V2s. I think they unloaded a bunch of these in boxes too, which was weird because they released a bunch of them on a Thursday. Size 8 is an okay size. It's right between where like 7.5 and 9 is like money. But it's a dead stock pair. You might have to hold on to it for a little bit to get the true value out of it, but these are hovering around 375 I think right now. So size 8, Zebra V2. That means I probably know what this last one is. It is a 700, size 10.5. This is a pair of the Inertia 700s. This one's dead stock too, so that's good. These are going for under retail now, depending on size. I think they're, yeah, like 280, 290, and the retail is 300 on these. The retail is astronomical on Wave Runners. I don't know why. The original colorway of this model is absolutely groundbreaking as far as I'm concerned, even though I don't even like Adidas. But I have to give credit where credit's due that the original Wave Runner is just a crazy, crazy colorway. But this is still kind of clean. It's a little too monotone for what I'm into. But here's the last pair, size 10.5, 700 Inertia. And that is a $1,000 box. I don't really know how I feel about it right now, but let's go ahead and give it a grade. Report card time. Condition, sizes, hype/value. That's how we get a grade. Let's do condition first. There are 8 pairs of shoes in this $1,000 Sole Supremacy beater box, and 5 of them are dead stock. And the other ones are in good shape and they all have boxes. Condition on this box, I kind of got to give it an A-. Sizes, we have a 9.5, 10.5, 10.5, 8, 10.5, 10, 12, and 4.5 youth. Sizes on this box will say about a C+. Hype/value. I don't know the value on those Mi Adidas. Some of these Mi Adidas might have sneaky value. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I don't see much value in this box, but I've been wrong before and I'm not afraid to be wrong again, but I'm gonna say hype/value on this box. We'll give it about a B-. So with the grade of A- for condition, the grade of C+ for sizes, and the grade of B- for hype/value, this $1,000 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a grade of, we'll say a solid B. So I graded this box out as a B. I think that's a bad guess, but hey, MC Hammer and myself are gonna break it down for you right now. Break it down! I don't know. I don't look these things up until after the video, so I could be way off or I could be spot on. That's pretty much the only choices there are, so I broke down and bought one of those Cool Kicks boxes because Untied Hawaii does them all the time, and my friend Mike was on my case about getting one, so we're gonna do it. I don't know when it's gonna be here. I just ordered it like 20 minutes ago. So that'll be coming up. More beater boxes, other silly videos. I mean, I'm just rambling at this point, so thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Till next time, take care of each other, and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.